Did you know that the first programmable logic controller, or PLC, was born in 1968 out of a desperate need to replace thousands of clunky hardwired relays in a car factory? What started as a solution for Detroit's assembly lines has evolved into the backbone of modern industries, including cement plants. Today, we're diving into a burning question. Why are PLCs better suited for cement plants than their rival, the Distributed Control System, or DCS? From cost savings to lightning-fast control, we'll unpack it all with data, examples, and even a graph to prove it. Stick around. This is automation like you've never seen it before. Before we get to the why, let's define the players. A PLC is a rugged digital computer built for industrial automation. It's the master of discrete control. Think flipping switches, starting motors, or managing batch sequences. It's fast, reliable, and thrives in tough environments like a cement plant. On the flip side, a DCS is a network of controllers designed for continuous processes, maintaining steady variables like temperature or pressure over long periods. It's the king of industries like oil refineries or chemical plants, where precision over time is everything. Cement plants, though, are a hybrid beast. They've got continuous elements like kiln temperature control, but most of their work is discrete. Crushers, conveyors, valves. So which system wins? Let's break it down. Here's the deal. PLCs beat DCS in cement plants for 5 key reasons: cost, flexibility, real-time control, maintenance, and scalability. Each one ties directly to time and money, the lifeblood of any plant. PLCs are leaner and cheaper upfront, with lower installation and programming expenses. DCS systems, they're pricier and often overkill for cement needs. PLCs adapt fast with simple programming, perfect for tweaking processes on the fly. DCS is more rigid and complex. PLCs deliver split-second precision for the sequenced chaos of cement production. DCS lags in discrete tasks. PLCs are simpler, meaning less downtime and repair costs. DCS complexity can slow you down. Growing your plant? PLCs scale easily. DCS expansions are a bigger headache. Let's dive deeper into each with hard numbers to back it up. PLCs are the budget-friendly choice. For a cement plant with 500 I/O points, sensors, motors, you name it, a PLC system might cost $100,000 to install. A DCS? Double that, $200,000 or more, because it's a full package deal even if you don't need all the features. Programming costs follow suit. PLCs use ladder logic, cutting setup time by up to 30% compared to DCS's specialized coding. That's cash in your pocket. Cement plants evolve. New equipment, new recipes. PLCs shine here. Their intuitive programming lets engineers tweak logic in hours, not days. A process change that takes a week to implement on a DCS might take a day with a PLC. Time saved is production gained, and in cement, that's measured in tons. In a cement plant, operations are a symphony of start-stop actions. Conveyors kick on, valves snap shut. PLCs excel with scan times under 10 milliseconds, ensuring every move is timed perfectly. DCS, built for steady-state control, can't match that speed for discrete tasks. Faster control means less waste and more output. PLCs are modular with fewer parts, so when something breaks, it's easier to diagnose and fix. Annual maintenance for our 500 I/O plant might run $10,000 with a PLC versus $20,000 for a DCS due to its integrated complexity. Over a decade, that's $100,000 saved, enough to buy a new crusher. Adding a new production line? PLCs network seamlessly. Plug in a new module and you're rolling. Scaling a DCS often means reconfiguring the whole system, costing time and expertise. With PLCs, expansion is faster and cheaper, keeping your plant agile. PLCs start lower and stay lower. After 10 years, a PLC system might total $200,000, including maintenance, while DCS hits $400,000. PLCs aren't just theory, they're proven in the field. So, why are PLCs best for cement plants? They save money upfront and over time, adapt faster, control with precision, simplify maintenance, and scale effortlessly. DCS has its place, but for the discrete heavy world of cement, PLCs reign supreme. Next time you're automating a plant, you know the answer. Thanks for watching. If this deep dive sparked some ideas, hit that like button, subscribe for more automation gold, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep the concrete flowing.